In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change list colors in Trello. It's a quick and simple process that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your Trello boards, making your workflow organized and aesthetically pleasing. Let's dive right in. To get started, you first need to navigate to the Trello website. You can do this by typing Trello into your web browser and accessing the official site. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Trello offers a few different login options for your convenience, such as logging in with your email and password, or using a third-party service like Google or Microsoft. Select the option that best suits your needs and log into your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to identify the specific board and card where you want to alter the list color. Open up the board and then navigate to the particular card you wish to customize. Click on the card to open it and access its full menu options. Once the card is open, you'll need to scroll up a bit to locate the Cover button. This button might be easy to miss as it's positioned on the upper right part of the opened card. Keep an eye out for it and click on it to proceed with customizing your card. Upon clicking the Cover button, a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Change Color. Go ahead and select it. This feature is designed to provide you with a range of color options, allowing you to breathe new life into your Trello cards. Once you've opened the Color Change menu, you will see 10 different color options available for you to select. Take a moment to browse through these options and decide which color best fits your needs or preferences. The choice of color can act as a visual cue to help differentiate tasks, indicate priority, or simply enhance the board's visual design. After you've settled on a color, click on it to apply it. The best part is, the color will immediately update, so you can see your changes reflected on your board right away. This instant feedback lets you experiment with different colors until you find the one that aligns perfectly with your objectives. And that's all it takes. By following these steps, you can easily change the colors of your lists in Trello, making your boards not only more visually appealing, but also more functional. This small customization can lead to a big impact on how you manage projects, prioritize tasks, and collaborate with your team. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you master customizing your Trello boards with ease. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.